In today's video, I will walk you through how to change download location on Telegram. Before we jump into this quick tutorial, tap the link in the description below to follow along, and let's get started. To start, open Telegram and click the three horizontal lines menu icon in the top left corner. Click Settings from the drop-down menu. Select Advanced from the Settings list. Under the Downloads section near the top, click on Download Path. A pop-up menu will give you three main choices. Select Custom Folder. A system browser window will open. Simply navigate to your preferred drive, create a new folder like Telegram Downloads, and click Select Folder. Click Save, and from now on, all media saved from Telegram will route directly to your new destination. You can also toggle Ask Download Path for each file. With this enabled, whenever you click to save a document, video, or archive from a chat, Telegram Desktop will immediately open a prompt asking you where you want to place that specific file. And that's it. If this quick technical guide helped clean up your workflow, hit that like button. Subscribe for more platform tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.